today I'll be teaching about Varuna Mudra and Bhudi Mudra. These two are similar. So we are just using these two fingers. Sorry, these two fingers. Okay, this is water element. So this Varuna Mudra, when we do it, decreases when you have mucus in your body, when you feel your mucus in your nose, throat, and in your stomach and all. When you feel that, when you do this mudra, it will eliminate all the mucus from your body. So this is the best mudra, easy mudra. We can do it in winter season. Now so many people will be facing a cold cough and all. So you can do this mudra. So you just have to lower the water element in the body. Just do like this. This finger has to touch the thumb finger here, bottom of thumb finger, and then you close it like this. So this is Varuna Mudra. This is very important to eliminate mucus in your body. So you can do it 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the afternoon, and 15 minutes in the night. You can practice this. Home remedy for more mucus, if you can find horseradish. Horseradish, it's not normal radish. If you get horseradish, if you have it like a salad, it will be very good. Yeah, this is the Varuna Mudra. You are lowering the water content in your body. And you can use this when you don't have washrooms. If you want to stay for more time without using washrooms, you can do this, but not recommended for all, for every time. It's for some time, for 2-3 hours. If you want to control, you can do this mudra. This will cleanse your kidneys, your stomach, everything, all the mucus area, all those things will be cleansed. And in relation with this mudra, I am teaching one more mudra, that is Bhudi Mudra. Bhudi Mudra is balancing of water element in your body. This is like this. Same little finger and thumb finger. This is simple. Same thing, you can do it with the 2 fingers and keep it on your thighs and do 15 minutes, morning, afternoon, and night times. The benefits of this Bhudi Mudra is when you have itchiness in your skin, eyes, all those things, it will get balanced. Yeah, this is the Bhudi Mudra. We are balancing the water element in our body. So if you have eyes dryness, if you have itchiness, it acts like moisturizer for your body. When you think you have less amount of water, you can try to balance this. Yeah, that's all, masters. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Yeah, and one more point is this Varuna Mudra, it activates your Swadhisthana chakra. Swadhisthana chakra is second chakra, above Mooladhara, below Manipuraka chakra. So today we have learned 2 mudras which activates 2 chakras, like Swadhisthana and Manipuraka chakra. Swadhisthana, it is always belongs to water element. It is always like flowing. when you want clarity in your mind, when you want to be more fearless, get rid of fear, all those things, you can practice this mudra and activate your Swadhisthana chakra. When you are stressed, when you are feeling lonely, all those things, you can get rid of all those feelings and you can be more joyful by practicing this mudra.